Scenario's live.
What the hell? You hit my car! Hey. What the hell is wrong with you? Jesus Christ, ladies! Take it easy.
And we're done. Okay. Woo! You got turned red. Did you make a sound?
No.
What were you thinking right here? How many people did you see?
Him.
Just him?
Just him.
Tunnel vision.
Yeah.
Completely locked on, hey lady, hey lady. Completely shut down. Did it feel real? Yeah, it felt like the guy was upset about something to do with traffic. And we took off. I didn't want anything to do with it.
Thanks.
I'm sorry. You go to McDonald's. Anything else that you were thinking about right here? He's coming in. Do you remember what you did?
I put my hands up because he was in my space. So,
And you created. Did you create more space?
Yes.
Very good. All right, round of applause. Everyone ready? Scenario ready? We're live.
Excuse me. How old are you? You're here by yourself?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You must have borrowed your. No problem. I'm sorry. But hey, you know what? I got a deal for you, man. I work over at Best Buy, and I'm serious. PSP, I got GameCube, I got everything, man. All these games. If you come over here to my van, you can get one of them, man, for free. I'm serious. I gotta get rid of this equipment. Come on, I'm serious. Come on, come on over here. Seriously. Come on, man. I got all the games to go with them too. They cost a lot of money. A lot of money. Come on, I'm serious. Come on. No, I don't want. Just come on over here. Come on over to the van. Come on over to the van. Come on. Just come over to the van, and I'll give you all this equipment.
All right, round of applause. What happens when someone starts talking to you? What are they attempting to do? Own you. It's like a salesperson on the phone. Anyone have a hard time hanging up, even though you want to? Yes. Let me talk to the person in charge of making decisions. You want to hang up on them, but you're like, they're not here. When will they be back? At 4. Why can't you hang up on that person? They got you. They got you. They're controlling you. He had them just controlled. Jedi mind trick. What happened here, Adam?
I was just starting to talk to them.
Were you getting nervous?
Yes, I was very nervous.
It was very nervous. You were very nervous.
I was nervous when I didn't even see him. I was just counting. I'm like, what's going to happen?
I took the phone out of your hand. Did you know that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because you had a death grip, and I thought you were going to use it for a weapon. There was no space created. Big guy, soft target, big conversation. At a moment's notice, he could have picked him up. He finally got the wheels moving. I'm out of here. You knew it wasn't right. You knew it didn't feel right. But let's not give him more power than he deserved. Don't stand there and answer his question. You don't know him from Adam. I know your name's Adam, but you don't know him from Adam. You don't know him from Jack. And that's Jack right there, but you don't know him. You understand? Don't answer his questions. What did he say? How old are you? That's how old I am. The back of my shirt is how old I am. Get away. Why are you asking a kid how old he is? Creep. Got it?
Creeper.
Round of applause. Good job. Right. Scenario ready? Back up, dude. Don't be here. Get on the ground.
Whoa!
Hey, don't be here. Yeah, you run, whatever. No. I got a knife, dude. I got a knife. Hey, how about, can you pick the money up for me, please? No, I know it's right there, but I need some more. I need a PIN number. I need an ATM. Oh,
Girl.
all right.
Sorry.
No, I'm sorry. Did you hear don't throw the phone at anyone? Okay, then there you go. I just don't have my chest piece on, so that would be my fault. What did she do? Backed up, space. I wasn't allowing it. She said, go ahead, take the money. I'm like, no, I want you to stay here. I want you to stay here because I need more from you. Okay. Boom, distract her and go. You can't get better than that. Would I chase her as a bad guy with money down here and the girl screaming up the road? No. And I'm not one of these guys. Bang! I can't throw it at the back of her head. It's not going to happen. Bad guys don't do that. You're an opportunity. You created a very difficult opportunity. You're a strong gazelle. I'm going to go find a weak one. I'll just put this away. pretend like I'm sipping my coffee in the corner again, and someone else will come up and we'll do the same thing because I got to make some money to buy my drugs tonight or whatever I need for a bad guy. That's the only reason I'm trying to get your money because I don't have a job. I'm not going to work for it, so I need to rob you for it because you worked hard and you're taking your money out of the ATM, and I'm going to take advantage of you. You don't have any self-defense training, or so I think, because most people don't. Any questions about that? Going live. Everyone ready? Yep. Back up. Get on the ground now! On the ground, that ground! I will shoot you if you keep moving. I promise I'll shoot you. Lady, I'll let you go if you just do what I say. Bang! Dead. Phone against gun! Phone against gun! Think about it. How we doing?
Outside.
Okay, me too. Now, phone against gun. Can you get that one back?
No.
You can't get that one back. So let's talk about that. How fast was that?
Like seconds.
I wanted your keys, and if you ran off, I can't get your keys. That's what my intent was. Your keys, I need your car because I need to leave the state because I got a warrant for my arrest. Intent. Despite all that, I'm just a bad guy. I don't even have to say all that. I'm just a bad guy. When's the last time you turned on the news and said, oh, man killed, his car was stolen? We see it all the time. We don't need to know the details. Lady, I got a gun. Don't move and I won't hurt you. I will shoot you. Okay. Do you want that one back? Do you want that opportunity back?
Yes.
Real life, you don't get it. So let's think about what were you thinking about right here? That's really important to me as a trainer to know what you were thinking.
I wanted to go. I wanted to just to leave. I wanted to throw something. I wanted to get out of there.
Okay. You went into a whole different realm. Comply with someone with a firearm until you can A, leave, B, take it and kill him, or kill him with your bare hands, or he makes a mistake. Because if all I wanted was your keys, I was going to leave. But I shot you. Alright? You get another chance. You want to do it right now?
Yeah.
Let's replay that one. Scenario ready? Safety's ready? We're live. Hey lady, I got a deal. I work at Best Buy. I got these new iPhones, and it's like the Apple 6.
Hey, dude.
Back up. Hey, I'm trying to make $1 here, dude.
I'm just looking at what you got.
This is my living here. No, I seriously got. I got a good deal.
I wouldn't buy that, man.
These are. Hey, you got a piece of junk phone. This is a 90s phone. That's a 90s phone. I got an. Look at this. $18. $18. $18. Come on. Tell somebody you got home.
Away from me!
Not an Apple fan, I guess. All right. Now, what was my intent? Who was I?
Salesman.
Con man, we've all seen them in the parking lot. I just got these speakers. They were like 8 cents. I'll sell them to you for $100. All right, whatever they're trying to push, perfume, steak, whatever it is. She didn't get sucked in. Her immediate response was what? Space. What was she using for space? People. Describe it.
My focus was just to get away from you. Wanted to create as much space as possible. You kept following me around. You got too close to my space, so I pushed you back a little bit and then took off. I didn't want your stuff.
What does the scenario feel like to you as a whole, as far as real, not real?
Yeah, it felt real. Definitely.
Yeah, it's still on your voice, and that's a good thing because I got you to a level, especially when you couldn't get to the cones. I kept doing this, and you did the integrity check. You said, "Oh, I don't want your phone," and that's when I backed down because she took a posture. Hey, serious? Elevate my voice. Back up. I'm not. You don't have me. I'm not. You're not fooling me. I didn't want to rob her. I just wanted to pull one over on her. I was just some con man. You know, I was going to sell her some piece of junk for $50 that I stole earlier. But I don't want to put my hands on her because I'm just some bully. I'm not the wolf. I won't grab her. So that was the scenario, and she got space, walked around, and then got assertive right here. We all heard it. Round of applause. Good job.